Hello, Earth lovers and farming enthusiasts. Welcome to Soil Books, where I explore the incredible connection between soil, the environment, and agriculture. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for our planet's future. 5 revolutionary solutions to heal the Earth and boost agriculture. Did you know that healthy soil is the foundation of life on Earth? It feeds us, filters our water, and even fights climate change. But our soil is in trouble. By the end of this video, you'll learn how we can save our soil, protect the environment, and revolutionize agriculture. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, let me ask you a quick question. What do you think is the biggest threat to our soil? Is it erosion, pollution, or over-farming? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's break it down. Soil is a living, breathing ecosystem that supports all life on Earth, but it's under threat from human activities. The good news? We have the power to heal it. Here are 5 revolutionary solutions that are changing the game. First up, regenerative agriculture. What it is: farming practices that restore soil health like cover cropping, no-till farming, and crop rotation. Why it's amazing: it improves soil fertility, stores carbon, and increases resilience to climate change. How to start: plant cover crops, reduce tillage, and rotate crops to diversify your fields. Next, composting and organic matter. What it is: adding compost, manure, or crop residues to enrich the soil. Why it's amazing: it boosts soil structure, retains moisture, and provides essential nutrients. How to start: create a compost pile or buy organic compost to spread on your fields or garden. Third, agroforestry. What it is: integrating trees and shrubs into farming systems. Why it's amazing: trees prevent soil erosion, improve water retention, and provide habitat for wildlife. How to start: plant trees along field boundaries or create windbreaks to protect crops. Fourth, precision farming. What it is: using technology like drones, sensors, and GPS to optimize farming practices. Why it's amazing: it reduces waste, saves water, and increases yields by providing precise data. How to start: invest in basic tools like soil sensors or use apps to monitor crop health. Finally, soil microbe boosters. What it is: adding beneficial microbes to the soil to enhance its health. Why it's amazing: microbes improve nutrient cycling, suppress diseases, and boost plant growth. How to start: use microbial inoculants or compost tea to introduce beneficial microbes. These solutions aren't just about farming, they're about healing the earth. Here's why they matter. They restore degraded soil and improve its ability to grow food. They combat climate change by storing carbon in the soil. They protect biodiversity and create healthier ecosystems. Whether you're a farmer, gardener, or just someone who cares about the planet, these solutions can make a difference. Now, let's answer a quick question. Can these solutions work on a small scale? Absolutely. Whether you're managing acres of farmland or a small backyard garden, these practices can be adapted to fit your needs. So, here's my question for you. Which of these solutions will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found these soil-saving solutions inspiring, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Together, we can heal the earth, protect our soil, and build a more sustainable future. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Until next time, stay curious, keep growing, and remember, healthy soil means a healthy planet. See you soon.